Greetings everyone. In this tutorial, I want to show you how to move fields around the Act screen when you're modifying a layout. So I'm going to go up to Tools, I'm going to go Design Layouts, Contact. Once I get inside, I'm going to maximize this window. So let's say we want to take the favorite checkbox and move it down here to the right. So I'm going to click on the little checkbox, I'm just going to move it down there, and I'm going to take favorite and I'm going to move it down here. So you'll see I did that one at a time. But let's say I want to take these items here and move them up a little bit. And I want to do it not one at a time, but I want to do it in one fell swoop. I'm going to click on Hobbies. I'm going to hold the Control key down. I'm going to click on Hobbies here, the label, children's name, and you'll see I'm going through here and I'm clicking on all these items. I'm going to let go of the Control key. Now, the thinking would be once you have all these selected, you should be able to just click on any item and move it up the screen. I'm clicking on children's name and trying to move all these 8 selections up the screen, but it's not working. So how do you do this? Well, let me go back through and select those. And what I want you to observe is this. The very last item I'm going to click on is AMA score. I let go of the Control key. Now, if I want to move these items up a little bit, I have to go and click on the field that I last selected. So I'm going to click on the AMA score and I'm going to drag up, and now I can do that. If I had clicked on any other field, it wouldn't allow me to do that. So what you have to remember here is after you've selected things, click and hold on the very last field you selected to move it up. And that's how you move multiple fields. Thank you everyone for being here for this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful. Be well, my friends.